Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Myself Rashmi DS. I am studying in first sem EC. Today I want to discuss about the topic powers and functions of the Indian Parliament. In powers and functions of the Indian Parliament, there are 7 functions: legislative function, the executive function, the financial functions, and the electoral functions. Judicial powers and functions, constitution powers and functions. Firstly, we want to discuss about the legislative function. Basically, the Parliament is a law-making body in which appears in that there is a direction of power between the center, union, or the states. There are 3 lists: union list, state list, and concurrent list. Only Parliament can make laws of the subject nation by the union list. We know that the union list of the 97 subject, along with the state legislatives of the Parliament, is empowered to make the laws on the concurrent list. In the case of both concurrent as well as state make as a law on the subject mentioned and the concurrent list, then the control law powers upon the state law of their class between the any subject that mentioned in any laws of the judicial power or voted with the Parliament. Thus, the law making power of the Parliament is very wide. It covers the union list and concurrent list. In the content, this circumference even the state list also. Again, move to the executive functions. The executive functions in the Parliament system of the government is else relationship between the legislature and the executive responsible to legislative for all its acts. The Prime Minister and his counseling minister are the responsible to the Parliament individually as well as collectively. The Parliament has a disadvantage of the passing of voters non-confidence and the reflecting of the enclosure confidence motion. Thus, the happened overall times. The happened of the 1919 when the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government lost on the confidence motion of the Sabha by just voting of the resign. But the non-confidence motion of the confidence mentions on the extreme ways of the maintain accountably. Parliament as an executive, there are employed is an executive personnel. Parliament maintains the over executive in routine manner through over ways. Some of them are the follows. The members or Parliament can ask question for the regarding of the matters connected with the again of the central government. The first was a heavy working of the Parliament relates to the qualification with the ministers of the answer. Third, the financial function. The financial Parliament function is the important financial function. It is the condition of the public money. It contains the interface of the control government. No money can be